Welcome Reality Benders to another episode of Reality Rise, where we're going to discuss the newest version 62 MetaQuest update and what kind of features and benefits it has included. If you're ready, without further ado, let's dive in. So the very first thing, I've already covered this in another video which you can watch right there. This is about the Spatial video playback, a feature that Meta is currently implementing on the MetaQuest headsets, which can play back stereoscopic videos that you have shot on your iPhone directly back on your MetaQuest headset. So instead of you having to transfer the file from your iPhone to the PC and then re-uploading it and all that hassle, you can directly use the MetaQuest iPhone app in order to send it to your headset and view it from there. They want to make it as easily done as possible. And pretty rad that the iPhone has this app called Spatialify, where you can record stereoscopic 3D videos and I think images. Yeah, that brings kind of a new layer of making memories actually. I mean, when you're at a party or at a festival or maybe at a family gathering or something happening and you're just capturing that in 3D, does bring a layer of new kind of immersion and memory making. But I have some more news. Web-based gaming enhancements. So what Meta is doing right now is they are extending their support for external gamepads like from PlayStation or Xbox. So you can think about the DualSense or the DualShock. It has support right now. I don't know if I'm going to use it as much as I think I am, but it's always welcome to have extra support in cases that you want to perhaps do something with a external gamepad. So you can connect it via your Bluetooth or USB-C for a broader range of gaming options. Just basically hook the DualSense controller to your headset with a USB-C cable, or just use Bluetooth, even better. And I'm also very curious because of course the DualSense has this realistic haptic feedback on it. If it's also supported, and maybe the adaptive triggers. It will be pretty cool because the PSVR 2, their own controllers of course has this built in, and I really hope Meta in the next MetaQuest headset or the touch controllers, that they will also include this realistic haptic feedback, perhaps even with the adaptive triggers. But yeah, so we have support, we can now use also gamepads, and that's always welcome. With that said, the next piece includes Facebook live streaming. So originally this was introduced in the version 56, the MetaQuest update, but it was not introduced to everyone. With the new rollout of the version 62 update, this feature is now available to everyone on the MetaQuest platform. So you can directly share your live stream. If you have a Facebook account, of course, linked to your MetaQuest, you can now share those live streams directly to your Facebook timeline. So what you have to do in order to do this is you have to add your Facebook account to the Accounts Center for a seamless integration. And in order to go live, you have to go to the camera app on your universal menu and select Go Live. And that way you can stream directly to your Facebook from your MetaQuest headset. So now also for YouTube live streaming, you can directly see the chats of your live stream on your MetaQuest headset. This is not the same as the Facebook live stream, because for YouTube you still have to use software like OBS in order to go public and live stream to your audience. So it is only for the chats function that you can see who is chatting with you. That is the new feature that they have implemented at this point in time. So the MetaQuest also have improved the gestures that you can use. I mean, before it was when you wanted to, of course, to access the menu, you had to like do a pinch, look at it, and then a timer went, and then it showed up the menu. Right now it is different. You only have to pinch your thumb and your index finger and it will show up. The long pinch, what we did before, now will recenter your headset. So the functionality has kind of shifted, but I like it way more because I hated to every time, you know, just pinch it and wait a little bit and then the menu showed up. This time it's like boop, and then it's done. And if you would like to use the quick actions menu for system actions like taking photos or muting your microphone, you can go and re-enable it in settings, movement tracking, and go to expanded quick actions. There there you have it. That's the version 62 update of the MetaQuest. And not as really that huge as I thought it would have been, but we do have some extra features and additionals. I hope you found it informative. If you like this video, please go ahead and do so. Also, subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the newest and latest news of the MetaQuest and other VR news. And with that said, until we meet again, peace.